back to Ouai's YouTube channel. My name is Athena. I'm a hairstylist based in the city of Chicago. Today I want to share with you 3 ways of hiding overgrown bangs. At least for me, the second my bangs start growing out can just drive me crazy. They're just always in your face, always in your way. So these 3 ways will help keep them out of your face, yet keeping you cute and ready and presentable in those video meetings. If you feel like this video is for you, watch along. For the first way, I'm going to be using a comb, Ouai matte pomade, as well as hair clips. I'm going to be using 2 metallic bobby pins. So you're going to want to take your comb and part your hair directly in the middle. I like to line it up with my nose. That looks pretty middle. And bring those bang pieces forward. Any of those pieces that are driving you crazy. Then you're gonna take some pomade here and put that all over your front bangage area. Okay, really working it in, making sure you got all those little pieces nice and covered. Okay, then you're gonna wanna go ahead and closely start at the root, twisting some hair back. And you could either pick up more hair or leave hair down. I'm gonna be leaving my hair down, so I'm just gonna be twisting what I have back. But just making sure you're really twisting back all those little pieces. And take your hair clip or bobby pin in my case and secure like so. That's one side. That would be my first way of hiding bangs. For another way of hiding overgrown bangs, you're gonna need a comb, Ouai texture spray, and a hair tie if you wanna put your hair up. First, you're gonna wanna take your comb and create a really deep side part. Whichever side is your side, obviously, we all got one. So as far as you need to go to really get all those little pieces over. And then you're gonna wanna take your texture spray and hit that root all in there, really adding some texture, volume here. Perfect. Okay, then you're gonna wanna start taking small little sections, starting at the front, and start teasing, backcombing, whichever you wanna call it, ratting it up, all at the root. And this is really gonna get all those little pieces all ratted up and hidden. And that's what we're doing here. We're trying to hide all these overgrown bangs with the hair that's going over. Okay, find your next little part. Start back combing. Okay. Add a little bit more texture spray. Okay, once you start looking like an 80s chick, you're pretty much done. So this part, you want to be gentle, brushing all the rest of the hair over, kind of covering the back combing mess you created. This gives you a really dramatic side part. All kept back combed. Okay, once you feel like it's all pretty much back combed enough, I'm gonna leave this piece down here and tie the rest back. Let's tie a little wrap here. Overgrown bangs. For my last way, you're gonna need a comb, regular bobby pins, at least 2, matte pomade, texturizing hairspray, and a hair wrap, hair band accessory. First, you're gonna wanna take your comb and comb all your bangs back. Take some matte pomade and get that all over your front bang pieces. You want to start to gather all your hair really close to the front, making sure it's all of those bang pieces, and secure that. I like to go one way with one bobby pin and another way with another. Make sure it's really holding all of those bang pieces. If your bangs are shorter, you can go closer up to the front. It really just depends on the length there. Okay, then take your headband and we're going to cover those pieces. You want to cover the bobby pins with your headband. Being careful, we're not moving anything. Go. Super cute. I think it's super cute with these little headbands. I'm gonna take some texture spray. Just give my hair some oomph. There. And that would be my last way. Thanks so much for watching Ouai's YouTube channel. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Drop a comment and let us know what tutorials you may want to see next.